Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will actually convert your HTML plus the CSS into an actual image. So as you can see right here, we having this HTML file template. We have this HTML code right here, and we are generating a image from this. So inside this Python script, so as I run this Python script, you will actually see image file will be generated. It can be JPG or PNG. So let me run the file here, Python. Let me navigate to the folder and then just type python app.py. So as I run this script here, you will see output image.jpg file will be generated, and you can see we successfully created this image. Just wait, let me open my zoom it tool so that I can zoom it on particular element. So this is actually the image generated. You will see that we got the heading, we got the paragraph as well. So this is actually the HTML that we got here. We have the H1 heading and we have a simple paragraph as well. So we are simply generating this image from this HTML. You can even let me show you the package name. Just go to the website of Python where you can search for third-party packages. So we are using this package which is imgkit. This is a very popular package for converting HTML to image using the WebKit rendering engine. So the command is simple. You simply execute this command to install this package. I've already installed it, and for working this you need to have this library installed. So simply install this library wkhtml2pdf. This is the open source library. You should have this installed before you execute this. So download this pre-compiled binary. Simply click it and select your operating system and install this. After installation, basically it will install inside your C drive in the program files. It will create this folder wk. You will see it create this folder wk html to pdf. So go to the bin folder, and right here you will see all the binaries. So we are using this binary here, wk html to image. So this is actually the exe binary which converts your html to actual image. So just make sure that you add this whole path. Just right click, copy this path, and go to environment variable and simply go to the path variable and add this path. I've already added this path here, you can see, and then just restart your terminal and then execute this application. So now let me show you the Python script. So just create a simple app.py file, and right here you first of all import the package which is imgkit. Then we simply have a HTML string. So right here you can actually write your basic HTML code. You can see that you can have the title. You can even add some basically the CSS styles as well, and then we can actually close this style. So as you can see, we are also having this custom CSS, and we basically change the font family, background color, margin padding, H1P, and inside this we will have the body. So inside the body we will have the H1 heading, we have the paragraph and image tag and another paragraph. So this is our HTML template, guys, that we need to export this template to an actual image file. This imgkit module inside Python contains this function from string, and then you actually pass this HTML string and then the output JPG or PNG, any file name. That's all that we need to do. And if you execute this application now, just execute the script. So it is saying that failed to load HTML. Just make sure that you don't put the image tag, because yeah, so don't put this image tag, just have the basic HTML tag. And now you will see the JPG file will be created. This is your heading, this is your paragraph. And if you see, let me change the background to red color. So now you can see background has been changed to red color, and if I change this heading text color to yellow color, and then this paragraph to green, again do this, you can see it is applying all these CSS styles as well inside the image. The text color is yellow, background color red. So in this way guys, you can use this package in Python imgkit to actually export your HTML template or file. So this, you can even take this, if you're having a file rather than the string, you can create this file as well. So index.html, you can create this file, this template, and then you can actually use this method, which is from file. You can see that you can take this from file and you can pass this template here, which is, this also contains this. So rather than taking it from the, you can take it from the actual template. Then you can even pass some options, quality 100, can control this. So now if you see, it actually created this, you can see that. So you can even create this from the HTML file as well. So this is actually the module guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.